The Canon printer error code 1471 typically indicates a problem with the printhead. This issue can arise from several common causes, including an incompatible printhead, incorrect installation, or mechanical malfunction. To resolve this error, it is essential to use a compatible printhead that is recommended by the manufacturer, as an incompatible one can cause frustration and prompt the printer to display the error code as soon as it is turned on. Proper installation is also crucial. This involves opening the top cover, ensuring the ink valve is closed, unlocking and removing the printhead, and then reinstalling it correctly. After reinstalling, the printhead should be locked in place, the joint button pressed down, and the ink valve opened before closing the top cover. If these steps do not resolve the issue, seeking advice from a trained technician for further troubleshooting may be necessary.